full lock, and out of nowhere it just What's up, everybody? This is the infamous Zach for Definitely Not Mechanics, and welcome to another episode. It's been quite a while since I've been on here. I've been going through moving. If you don't know, I moved down to Florida, and I got my buddy Leo here today to help with his Lexus GS 400. Love this car. We rolled his fenders the other day and put on new wheels. Looks really good. Today, we're gonna take the bed off and test fit where the fuel cell is gonna go. Because I really don't have anything else to do right now. Because I'm broke. As usual. I gotta start doing something on it because it's just been sitting still since Logan did the engine mounts, which we still need to get poly bushings for under here. Alright, so my idea for doing the fuel cell, that big old thing over there, is gonna be, I think these are riveted. Yeah. We're gonna cut this old spare tire bracket out because it's useless. And then I'm gonna have to do a cross brace because this is supportive. Went and bought a nice corded angle grinder, Milwaukee of course. Come up with a decision, just gonna go ahead and cut the rivets for this cross brace because then we can just run bolts through the frame anyway and hold the leaf spring bracket that's riveted down to the frame with no issue. So yeah, let's get to grinding. We got what, 8 of them? 4 per side? Yep. Should be pretty quick and easy. So, finally got everything done that we were going to do, kinda. Went and got a Milwaukee 4.5 inch grinder, angle grinder, thanks. Cut the cross brace from the spare tire bracket out. We somewhat made a design of what we're gonna do for the fuel cell. Also found the fuel line adapter that I need for the engine. Didn't really do anything else because I don't have the tools or the parts that I need. Because I'm broke. So we did some choppy and sat around. Sounds good. So, to end this off, definitely-not-mechanics.com. Go get you some merch. It's almost Christmas, people. Do it. It's just...
You look constipated.
Thank you.
Christmas constipation.
Exactly.
It's all the
nervousness.
With you guys.
Can't stop recording.
I don't know how to do that.
Okay, hopefully this kind of clears up some of the questions that people have been having about Zach and the channel and the Rust Bucket. As far as Zach moving to Florida, he found a good opportunity for his job and his family. So That's where he took off to. He's got dreams of being a shrimp boat captain one day. I don't know, ask him about that. As far as the Rust Bucket will remain on the channel as long as content is sent to me. We're working on teaching Zach how to edit. That way he can be posting that stuff himself and get it out to you guys a little bit quicker. Other questions that have been asked. Where has Zach been? It was a sex change reversal physical therapy that he's been in, and he got that taken care of and out of the way. He's just got to go back like every 6 weeks for the next like 2 years, but he's fine. Everything's going to be okay with that. What is the plan for the Rust Bucket? I have no fucking idea. He's just going to keep buying motors and throwing them in there until he can get one of them running, and then maybe he'll go out and get revenge on that first pull. I don't know. So I did want to make a little bit of a illustration. That way you guys can have a better understanding of the lifespan of the Rust Bucket so far. So.
Then it was bought by Zach. After it was bought by Zach, it went through several different colors until it got to the rusty curmudgeonous turd that you guys know it as today. And we're just going to do one of those. Boom. There it is. This is the Rust Bucket here. Now, where it took a turn, he rear-ended another car. Like that. Boom. Right into it. So the front, missing. That came off. Now, when he rebuilt it, he had new headlights. They're real fancy. Okay. He got a new grill. It was real fancy. And a new bumper, which was super fancy as well. So, he got all this cool new stuff. And he was like, yeah, my truck is so super sweet. I bet it's actually a drift truck. So, he puts it on a trailer. And he tows it with his other truck to a drift track. Now, so, he takes it to a drift track. And he's out there. The sun's out. It's a good day. He's got his truck. So then he waits for the sun to go down. And now, the moon is out. And it's very dark. Luckily, they had these really cool light poles all set up around there that gave him a good amount of light. And they put these right in the turns. So you turn around them. You know, the track goes like this. And you got all of this light here. So what he did was he took his truck around the track. There's the truck again. And taking it around the track. And he's trying to spin these tires up. And he goes into the very first turn. At night. Where this pole is. Lighting up the way. And what he does, he takes that truck all the way into the hole. And he breaks the truck. So then, this whole thing's messed up right here. Confusing part. So we got the truck. And we'll do like a 3/4 view here. Oh yeah, this is turning out good. Okay. Alright. Super. Headlights. Grill. Perfect. Got bed. Wow. That's beautiful. Now, all of the damage was, like that. So, ruined. I think the grill was damaged as well. The fender was ruined. All that stuff caved in. Hood was toast too. Now, so what he did was he took a sawzall, you see, like this. You know, one of these guys. Alright. And he cut here and here. Cut the whole front off. So you can't tell fenders or anything. Motor, still good at this point. I want you guys to remember that. Motor's still good. In his next step, he takes a machine that looks kind of like this. Yep. And it has like a little hook right there. Cool, and that's a chain. Perfect. He takes this machine and he pulls the motor, you know? We'll pretend that's what it looks like. Pulls the motor right out of there. I know, I'm confused. I was confused at this point. I was confused. So then what he did was he went and he bought a Dorito. Okay? So he got a rotary, and then he was like, you know what? This Dorito is actually not complete. So he bought another Dorito. Right? That makes sense. You need two to make, sure, okay. Okay, and then he was like, you know what? I need a transmission for this thing. So he drives and picks up the transmission. So we got transmission, two Doritos, secure. Sounds like a drivetrain, right? Wrong. Very wrong. Next step, take the cab off the vehicle. Not really sure why. Now we have a rolling chassis. What do? We move it around a bunch. And then what? We put the cab back on, because that's what you do. Got the cab back on. Then what are we going to do? We're going to get the rotary added in with the transmission. Wow, super close, right? Remember, we still got an extra dick in this thing. So we're pretty close, right? Like, we bought mounts, very expensive mounts, transmission, adaptation, and things are getting close. Then what does he do? Sells the motor. So we're stuck with a cab. Oh yeah. Cab, sitting on a frame, big hole, nothing in it. So then he buys, oh yeah. He buys a Lexus, you know? Yeah, and this thing has a V8 in it. So you know what he does? He takes that out, put it in this thing, right? Got a V8 in it now. Does it run? No, not yet. So then, after we got the V8 in, I welded the mounts, do them down there, you can see, this is what I look like. The welder here, and then, yep, and the ground, and the hood, because it's responsible. Boom, welded into mounts. So then what does he do? I'll tell you what he does. He gets trailer, right? We've seen this before, we've seen this. And then he puts the truck, no, that's not, sorry. Oh, he put the bed back on. And he put truck on the trailer. I know, this is getting weird. And remember, the engine's in there, the V8 is in. So, he pulls it all the way over here.
To Florida. And now you guys are caught up. So it's been a lot of wacky decision making and probably procrastination, but we're up to date. We've got it's happening, bro. He's gonna put it in there and it's gonna run before 2025. I'll put money on that right now. 2025, we're gonna have a running V8 Tacoma. You tell me how you feel about that. But like, tell me in the comments below because I can't hear you now. Don't forget to check out definitely.mechanics.com. You can pick up a ton of sweet merch, and also be looking out for a sale this week because we're gonna be giving away some free shirts. I don't know, that's just what I heard. But look on Facebook and Instagram and check our website, definitely.mechanics.com, and you will be sure to know exactly what's gonna be free, I mean, if something's gonna be free, and how you can get that sent over to you. I'm gonna continue to draw now.